This exercise got me sweating. Hey guys, I'm out here sweating so bad. Hi John Mahid. Hi guys. Man, can you guys believe, like, I literally lost 10 pounds? So I'm trying to keep that. Hi Jen. Hi Sam. Hi Franklin. Your girl is working it. She's working it. How are you guys? Look at me doing all this for you guys. Just doing some squats earlier. Hi there, Azar. Tu cuerpo es hermoso. Oh, thank you. Hi, Florin, Emilio, Tony, Durget. Hi. I'm hot. I am super hot. See the glistening? You see all that sweat glistening? Just super hot. It's hot, but it's not so bad because then you get into some trees. Feels so good. You're too sweet, Jay. I don't know about that. I'm feeling refreshed. I was speaking to my manager, guys. This is really, and I've always believed this too, that this is a great way to just detoxify your mind and body, to meditate, go out here and exercise. Just feels so beautiful. I don't know if y'all hear the wind. Hi. I'm just sweating. Hope y'all doing good. It's in the 80s here, man. It feels like it don't. Man, 80s sound good. Probably is the 80s in the forest. Thank you. Y'all exercising like me? Let me see. I'm gonna do a bit. Guys, I was doing some of this. You gotta give yourself 10-second break. I give myself 10 seconds and I keep my body moving because you can't stop your heart rate, okay? You don't want it slowing down while you are resting. Just do a little bit dance. Okay, 10 seconds over. A little something to keep my blood pumping. I'm no professional now, but you know, I gotta keep this blood pumping. Sexy dance, I know, right? What I learned too is that you should breathe through your nose and exhale through your mouth. But I'm talking to you guys though. Look at this, it's just so beautiful. Love you guys. Okay. Last time I saw a snake, but it was dead. But it's pretty cool. It was pretty cool actually. It was like it looked, I don't know if it was a garden snake, but it was, I don't know if it's a garden snake. I don't know if there's garden snakes in the woods. Almost done with my exercise. And then I go home. Thank you everyone who's been checking out my leonared.com site. It's been pretty awesome. Just want to tell you guys I love you. I'll be adding more to the store soon. Hope that you guys can check it out right after this video and see how you can help support. I love you guys so much. Not barefoot, but maybe later. Love you guys.